This is me just being out and about in this Texas nature. This is the creek behind me right there. I be going on nature walks on a daily, right? It is 72 degrees Fahrenheit. I consider myself as a cave woman, since I go on like cave woman adventures, exploring different creeks, and I also explore different parks too. So I'm a big ass adventurer. You know what I'm saying? Whew. This is my active recovery walk. After getting on the treadmill every morning, 10:15 a.m. I've been using iFit treadmill since end of last May, beginning of last June. And I lost over 20 pounds with the treadmill since the end of November. That's when I started using it often and changed my diet. So now I'm on like a low carb diet where like I will use cauliflower rice instead of regular rice. So yeah. And then what's really cool is that in Texas, the community pools open in April, and they're open the beginning of April, and then they're open until the end of October, Halloween, which is also amazing since the weather's a lot hotter, right? I mean, I love warm climate because that's what I've always craved for since I was little, to live in an area where there's warm climate since I was 7. At one point, I thought about living in California ever since I went there on my first trip in 1998 when I was 7. But now that I've heard that California is expensive, Texas is like a mini California, but more affordable and budget friendly.